A warm welcome to you again to the part 2 of speaking skill class. Children and friends, speaking a new language is living a new life. So, apart from our mother tongue, let's learn another tongue, and that is English language. In our previous classes, we discussed many such points. How can we develop our speaking skill? Today, we shall start some other points where we can develop our speaking skill. Friends, please don't follow to anyone else while speaking. There are 7.8 billion people in the world approximately at present time, and God has created you as one and unique. That's why try to develop one and unique character, speaking skill that you do have. That's the gift of Almighty God. Please don't follow to anyone else in your life. And when you talk about the speaking aloud, while speaking aloud, we have to take care of the distance between the speaker and the listener. What is the distance between you and your listener? You have to speak aloud in that manner. So, while speaking in public, you have to be aloud. While speaking to your friend, while speaking at home, you have to listen down your loudness. So, maintain that according to the distance between you and the listeners. And many people have many opinion regarding the pronunciation. Friends, I must tell one thing to you, that is, no doubt Indian English has been influenced by, or it has been originated from British English as they ruled more than 300 years. But at the present time, our English has also been influenced by Americans. And my request will be, try to develop English in India, which is called Indian English, and it is available everywhere at the present time. And there must be a flow of speaking. When you are going to speak something, how we are fluent in our own mother tongue, speaking very fluently, there is a flow of speaking. Try to develop this in the later stage. In the developing stage, try to develop this, because it develops your confidence in speaking a language. While speaking also in mother tongue, at the present time, the fluency takes a major role. Like that, in other tongue, in English also, it has very important role, that is the fluency in speaking. And when we speak something, before we speak, we think first, then we speak. That's why clarity of thought and clarity of expression plays a major role in speaking skill. And it develops your clean and clear. It makes your speech clean and clear, because if your thought process, what you are thinking, if the thought is clear, automatically the expression, the communication, the speech, the speaking will be clear automatically, obviously. And while developing your speaking skill, I must advise my students especially that in the beginning you may speak, you may record, and you will listen it carefully. You will also show to your friends, show to your teachers, take the feedback and try to develop this. It is very important how you will speak, record, and you will listen. And most of the linguistics say that talk to yourself. Sometimes where you don't have any partner in English to speak or to have the conversation, you can talk to yourself. It is called soliloquy in English drama or English language. So people may tell you as a mad boy or mad girl. Don't take them into consideration. Try to speak to yourself, and that is the best way to develop your speaking skill in other tongue other than your mother tongue. And when you talk about that is the development of your speaking skill over phone or among in your own surrounding also, try to have a partner who can talk to you in English and who can listen to you in English language. That is the best way where you can develop your own English language, the speaking as well as listening also. And when you get a chance to speak in public, students in debate competitions, in group discussions, where you are getting a chance, try to take the take this opportunity or avail this opportunity, because such type of opportunities usually don't come in your life. Always try to participate in the public speaking. This will you can also be free from the stage fear. That is very important. When you are afraid of speaking, then especially or obviously you can never develop your confidence in speaking other than your mother tongue. And there is a particular natural way of developing your speaking skill. When you get time or free time, tell stories in English. You listen stories from YouTube, different TV programs are also there. You listen stories and you go on telling stories to your friends, to the children in English language. That is the natural way of developing your language skill, specifically speaking skill in English. And finally, I must give more importance on the tongue twister. I saw a kitten eating chicken in kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in kitchen. Like this, when you have practice of tongue twisters, obviously you can also have the clarity, have the fluency in English language. And my dear friends, my dear children, anything that you can donate to anyone without any cost, that is your smile. And when you give this smile and it makes others smile, then that smile is priceless. And someone has told that everyone smiles in the same language. That is very understandable to each and everyone, because smile has no language. That's all for today's class. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Sanskruti. So today's class was very easy to understand, right? We look at such videos very often. So please subscribe our channel to get such videos. Bye bye.